Hi there, I'm Tanya, a professional horsewoman, and I have over 25 years of horse care experience. One thing I've learned in my career is that if you don't take care of a horse's mane and tail, they can become thin, wispy and knotted. A poorly kept mane and tail don't look very nice on a horse, so in this video I'll tell you exactly how to take care of the mane and tail so your horse always looks their best. The easiest way to care for a mane and tail is with regular brushing, which I incorporate as part of my daily grooming routine. If you want to know more about general grooming, have a look at the video I made about how to groom a horse. Before brushing the mane and tail, I make sure the horse is securely tied up, and I never stand directly behind a horse to brush the tail because I might get kicked. Instead, I stand next to the hindquarters and gently bring the tail round to the side. It's crucial to use the correct brush for the mane and tail because some grooming brushes can damage the hair. I like to use a mane and tail brush which looks like a huge hairbrush. It has a long handle, a large head and long flexible plastic teeth which gently cut through long hair without pulling it out. I'm always gentle when I brush a horse's mane and tail because brushing too hard can pull the hair out, especially if the horse has fine hair. I always brush from the bottom up and I use a mane and tail detangler spray to remove stubborn knots. If my horse has a large knot and I can't work it out with my fingers or a brush, I carefully cut it out with scissors. I like to wash my horse's mane and tail occasionally with warm water and equine shampoo. Washing a horse's hair is like washing your own. You soak the hair in warm water, apply the shampoo, lather, rinse and repeat, making sure to thoroughly rinse out the shampoo. Sometimes I need to trim a horse's mane and tail to make them look presentable for a show or to stop the tail from dragging on the floor. Before trimming a tail, I brush it through and use sharp scissors to snip off the end with a straight cut. You don't usually trim a horse's mane with scissors because the finish is too straight. Instead, you use a technique called pulling to thin and shorten a horse's mane and tail. So, let's recap about mane and tail care. The best way to take care of a mane and tail is with regular brushing. If you need to remove tough knots, use a mane and tail detangler to avoid breaking the hair. It's good to wash your horse's tail sometimes to remove dirt and dead skin, and you might have to trim your horse's mane and tail occasionally, especially if the tail is trailing on the floor. Thank you so much for watching this video, and if you want more horse care tips, please subscribe to the channel.